Hi guys, welcome to a new video. This is just a quick one. Well, it wasn't quick when I did it. It took me 30 minutes, but I just wanted to show you guys my process of pinstriping on a 20-ounce skinny tumbler. What I've done to prep the tumbler is I've sanded it right down. I've done the rim. I've made it as smooth as possible, then wiped it down with isopropyl alcohol. As you saw in the beginning, I have a gold strip down and then I've put an opal over the top. I'm just kind of working out what I want to do, whether I want to have just a gold stripe, whether I want to have just an opal stripe, or whether I want them both. I ended up going for both. I felt that the opal was a bit flat and I felt that the gold was a bit too much, and together it was just right. So because this is a double stacked vinyl, it will need to be sealed at the end to help prevent lifting. Unfortunately, I don't have any polyacrylic on me at the moment, so I've had to spray, and it hasn't been perfect, but it is what it is and you just work with it. So with a V-split, there's a lot of fluffing around, especially to get them fairly even. You'll see I lift and replace them quite a lot to make sure that they're nice and straight. Don't be bothered if you have to do this over and over and over again. It's never going to be 100% perfect, and we've got to remember that when we do these things, that, you know, we will notice these small things, but for people who don't make these, they won't. So don't beat yourself up if it's not dead perfect. It will still look amazing. So we're going through the process and I'm just putting all of the gold down. Some of the V's in my template didn't look like they matched up too well, so I did kind of fluff around with the point in some of them to try and get it matching without distorting the actual vinyl look. And I think I did pretty well in the end. There's quite a few splits in this one. It was a more detailed tumbler, and yes, I have been procrastinating. I did start this quite a while ago, and I've only just gotten around to doing the pinstriping on it. I mean, given we've just finished school holidays too, so that hasn't helped. Yeah, so we're just going through placing all the gold, and then once the gold is done and I've trimmed it all up and made sure everything's sort of in its place, I will trim it up and run the opal over the top of it. So I'll just let you watch. Bear in mind this process took me about half an hour, and that's being slightly perfectionist about it. And it can take a while, so make sure you've got plenty of time to get it done. But yeah, enjoy. I ended up having some issues with some of that vinyl. It was lifting right at the top, and I know from previous experience, if I don't fix that, even when it's sealed, it's still going to lift up and it's going to be a real pain when you resin it. You'll end up having to use more layers, which will require more sanding. So the flatter you can get it, the better. The gold textured vinyl is a Cricut brand and it's a permanent adhesive, but if it's already lifting and not holding down, it's not going to stick, so you're better to just replace it all. The opal glitter is going down. It's sticking really well to the textured gold, which I'm quite happy with. And yeah, I'll show you the result at the end. And here she is, all done. I really like the gold, it's very subtle, and the opal just, it matches so well to the vinyl. Yeah, so I hope this helps. Don't give up, have some patience, you'll get there. Thanks for watching.